It has been an absolutely crazy day today, but hi, welcome to my channel. I am Mackenzie Nelson and I am traveling Mexico City at the moment. I ended at like 7 a.m. this morning, got to my hostel and like crashed on the lobby couch, but I hopped on to a walking tour as soon as I can at 10:30 through the hostel, and she took us all over Mexico City is what it seemed like. And we tried really good quesadillas. She took us to this local spot to a cafe above a Sears. It's totally hidden, so I'm really glad that I learned about this spot because it's like a hidden gem. I met tons of people on the tour, which is great because I'm gonna hang out with them later today and go on to a boat ride. I'm not really sure about it, but I'll tell you guys about it a little bit later. So we came out to this town I don't know how to pronounce, but we're gonna get on a boat and ride in the river, and I think it's 500 pesos per boat per hour, and there's 4 of us. But more than we expected. It's 1100 and we're getting on a small boat, I think, for a 45-minute tour. Welcome back to Mexico City and good morning. I just hopped on another walking tour with the hostel, and we made our way through the metro to Roma del Norte, and we've been walking around a ton. It's a really quiet, peaceful town, and this is like another place where a lot of backpackers stay, is Roma del Norte, or the historic center. Where Casa Pepe is where I'm staying, and that's also a really nice hostel. But yeah, we've been just exploring this side of town. We got plans, really fun plans later with the hostel, but it's always a great way to meet people is walking tours. I met tons and tons of people from all over the world, and now we're making plans for later, and we made plans yesterday and those were really fun as well. I just haven't really been vlogging lately. I got here yesterday morning and heard some bad news last night from my family, so I just haven't really been up to vlogging, but I still want to show you guys the really cool sides of Mexico City. I have felt so safe so far. I mean, I'm holding my GoPro out in a trail place and I still feel fine. A lot of people do speak English too. Just have your basic knowledge of Spanish and you'll get by fine. I also wanted to mention about the metros that they were actually surprisingly really clean, as well as I felt safe. I was in a big group of 12, I would say, and being led through by a volunteer at the hostel, but I still felt pretty safe. No looks, no grabs, nothing like that, and it was actually a very clean metro, and it was only 5 pesos to get here, which can't beat that because it's like 25 cents back home. We came across something unusual. So the guys hanging and swinging and playing music was to worship the god of rain. Something like that, was some spiritual thing. So the walking tour is done, but we, meaning the people on the walking tour, and I just started walking towards this park, and I'll put a map right here that has like a ton of museums by it. And we're gonna go to the anthropology museum. A lot of them are closed due to COVID, but we're gonna check out this one and see how it is. I'm not sure if I can film in there, but I will try. But there's also like a contemporary art museum and a castle as well, but those were closed due to COVID. But the park was also really nice to walk through. Hey guys, I am back at the hostel, but the museum was actually free to enter. It just reopened due to COVID, and it was free for one exhibit, but the rest of the museum was still closed. But I'm back at the hostel, and I'm just gonna tidy up a bit. I got a little sunburned today, and we're gonna go see the Lucha Libre wrestling match tonight with a couple people from the hostel. We're gonna take the subway to, it's called Arena Mexico, and then I think we're just gonna buy tickets at the gate. I can't bring my camera with me. There's no cameras allowed inside, but I'll film on my phone as much as I can. But this is like a big thing to do, so I'm really excited. This is like part of the reason I came to Mexico City, and I can't wait to show you. I'm just chilling back at the hostel, but the Lucha Libre show was really fun. It was really funny, but I learned that like the wrestlers are definitely not trying to hurt each other. Mostly it's more of like a performance, so by doing like the flips and everything, it's like a very dangerous thing, but they really practice a lot, and they are professionals. But it was really cool to see, a very unique experience. It ended up being only 125 pesos. We haggled a bit with the people on the street selling the tickets, but we got really good seats that were worth like 250 pesos, so we got a really good price, only $6 to see the show. And beforehand we got tacos for 45 pesos for 5 tacos, and it only took 5 pesos for the metro there and back. So overall it was a really cheap and really fun night. But anyways, I'm leaving Casa Pepe today. I'm going to Valle de Bravo pretty soon here, so thank you so much for watching, and have fun if you ever come to Mexico City. Oh my god, it's been quite the morning.